Yo, what is up? So, we're gonna continue. I got two more functions to make on the stat stuff, and then we're done with stats. So, almost there. Then we'll move on to some other menus. The Bobo, yo, what up, the Bobo? What you got going on? I saw you got your thing fixed. The music of God creator. Hell yeah. I just go to maps, main menu. Mr. Tyrexus, yo, what up? What you got going on? Yes? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's good. Here, one sec. Okay, I'm back. Make sure I'm not muted. Should be good, right? Yeah. Okay. Still trying to find out why I can't build any project inside Visual Studio. What? I didn't even know that was going on. Yeah, we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. We're gonna be doing a C++ day. There we go. There we go. I hate using that hotkey. It messes up. What the hell is that? Oops, didn't want to send that. Whoops. Well, it sent. It sent. It'll be alright. But weird. I wonder why that's happening. We're gonna be doing that tomorrow. We're gonna be spending the day learning some C++ stuff. Alright, let's go to blueprints. Widgets, character creator widget. I'm all blurry. Maybe that'll fix it. Hydrate! I shall. What's up, Lord Kenny? What up? Did that fix it? Nope, I'm still blurry. Okay, I'm not blurry anymore. There we go. Yeah, I have a Demon 12 V server and want to test if I can run a dedicated server on it. But with that error, it isn't possible to create the dedicated server. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I remember you talking about doing that now. Huh. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that one. Hey again, man, not much? Hells yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, welcome back. We got two more functions. Two more little functions we need to make here. And then we're done with our stats. Which we need to make. Add charisma. Just here with the delicious Belgian hot chocolate. Hell yeah. Lucky. Let me get some of that. Use Steam or Epic servers for dedicated server? Yeah, but you still have to do certain things to build, like, to even build a dedicated server inside of Unreal Engine. I don't think that's what he's talking about. Belgian chocolate is so good, man. I don't know if I've ever had Belgian chocolate. Not that I know of. Not that I can think of. Wanted to try to host the server for myself to be more flexible and learn new stuff. Oh, so you're trying to do... Okay. I thought you were having trouble with the server setup stuff that you have to do in the engine. I see, I see. I'll bet you can easily guess where Belgian chocolate is from, though. No, I have no idea. Where the hell is that from? No idea where that comes from. No idea. Is it from, does it come from Brazil? No? Damn. Was I close, though? Is it somewhere around there? Chocolate from Pakistan was good? Yeah, I definitely haven't had chocolate from Pakistan. I guess it is? Is it? Is it close? At least I was close. The only problem I have is that my VS won't build any project. Doesn't matter if it's for server or just C++ changes. Weird. Weird. That is strange. What does Google say? That's my go-to. It's the capital city of a country? No? I'm dumb? It's not the capital city of a country? Yeah, isn't... Belgium is just Belgium, right? Peace of mind? Google just says some weird stuff that doesn't work? Huh. There's gotta be an answer somewhere. It's somewheres out there. Do you get... like an error code, or does it just crash? Yeah. Berlin is the capital of Germany? Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Can't even open the project with the editor itself? Oh, wow. Oh, Fs? Yeah, definite Fs. I get a code 6 error, but still don't get any good results on Google for that. What about other? Does it say anything else in the error code though? Like some other gibberish looking stuff? Normally it's the gibberish you want to paste in Google. Belgium is a country on its own. I'm so dumb. Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. I'm no good with countries. Oh shit, I don't blame you. I'm not good with that shit either. Not at all. Just that it can't execute the build.bat because of the code 6 error. Just one short line? Weird. Huh. Yeah, that doesn't help much. I need the long gibberish so I can paste it into Google. We want charisma. Where is charisma? I'm gonna duplicate this guy. And I need add charisma stats. I can't even post it into Discord because it's German. Hey, there might be some folks in there that know German. Maybe. We want to multiply 1.2. Cool. And compile, save, event graph. And we want to add charisma stats. There we go. Cool. That one should be good. Let's give that a test real quick. Subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract, subtract, add. Cool. Seems to be working. We're gonna put all our points in charisma. We're gonna do a charisma build. 5 points in charisma. Nothing else. Hell yeah. Alright, one more function. One more. Then we can move on to some other shiz. Then stats will be done. All these damn stats. Alright, so now we gotta do wisdom. We're just gonna go up here and we're gonna add wisdom. Just posted the error code line into the Discord. Maybe you're right. Yeah, there might be someone in there that knows German. Actually, I know there's someone else in there that knows German. Florian knows German. He's from Germany as well. Hashem, how's it going? It's going good. What's up? What you got going on? We out here building some stat stuff. Oh, lol, cool. Yeah, there's at least somebody else in there that's from Germany. At least one other person that I know of. Alright, so this one's gonna be add wisdom points. And we're gonna get rid of this one. Wisdom. Get wisdom add button. Throw that guy in there. We need wisdom. Just got back from school. I'm chilling now. Thanks. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. The school day is over. How was that? Okay, wisdom. Plug that in. Now we need this guy. Wisdom, stat number text. We need wisdom. Now we need this function. Is this how stats get added to a character? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, this is what we're setting up. So like when we press the button, I'll show you real quick. Yeah, that's pretty much what all of this is doing. This is adding and subtracting stats from the character and the character creator. Not too shabby? Hell yeah. So yeah, we go on our attributes menu, we can remove some stats and add them to other spots. Yeah. So you can change your stats if you want to. Yeah. Yep, that's the gist of what we're doing here. So, we need our wisdom function. Where is it at? Subtract wisdom stats. We're just gonna duplicate that. And we're gonna call it wisdom stats. Damn, that's dope. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, we're almost done with it. This is the last function we gotta do for it. And then we're gonna move on to some other stuff. Add 5. We're gonna add 1. And then we're gonna multiply by 1.2. Cool. Event graph. We're going to add wisdom stats. There we go. And we want our wisdom number text. And there we go. Should be done. Let's give it a little test. Let's subtract here and add to wisdom. We're gonna do a wisdom build. Nothing but wisdom. All wisdom. And hell yeah. Looks like we got it working. Everything appears to be working as it should. So cool. Cool. So we're done with that part. Been working on that shit for like 3 days. Test time. Test time. What you testing? Okay, so that's good. Let's just comment this. All of this. We're gonna call it add stats. Well done. I appreciate it. I appreciate. Just move that guy over. Okay, so now we can move on to something else. I think I'm gonna collapse these guys down because there's just a lot going on here.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Ginger Pride 1978, I appreciate the follow. Welcome in. So let's collapse all this stuff down, make it a little easier to look at. Collapse nodes. Welcome, welcome indeed. Welcome indeed. How goes it? So this one's gonna be sets human. We made all that big jumbled mess into one tiny little node. There we go. So let's do that for all the other ones. All the classes. Jeppe? Did I say that right? Number 37? Hello? What's up? What you got going on? We need to do this for our elf. We're gonna collapse nodes. Sets elf. We also look at something in here. Yeah, cool. Great videos. Currently trying your Souls-like tutorials. Also looking forward to watching the live streams. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, we still got a ton to do on the Souls-like. We still got a ton to do on this one too. A lot of work. But hell yeah, I appreciate it. How far have you made it in the Souls-like series? Hand pink waving. Okay, let's move this guy way over here. Oh, whoops. I don't want him right there. Let's move him over here. Yeah, there we go. I'm just here to enjoy the process. Thinking to start game development? Oh, nice, nice. So you haven't started yet. What kind of things, what kind of games do you think you would like to make? Ginger Pride, on part 44, is this going to be a tutorial also? No, this is just me working on my game, the game that I'm building. Yeah, this won't be a tutorial series. This is just something I'm doing. But hell yeah, part 44, that's... What's going on in part 44? I forget. That's pretty deep in. That's definitely in the character creator stuff, right? Part 44. Ah, you're on the color picker part. Yeah, okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah, we tried a bunch of different stuff for the color picker. Yeah, that part was actually kind of challenging. We ended up testing things until we ended up with something that was pretty decent. So, like, on this part, we ended up ending on... Oh yeah, the final solution right here. And then we actually made another change to it in this one, I believe. Yeah, the color picker stuff was wild. Hell yeah, you getting in there? You getting in there? I would like to make some 2D story-based games. Oh, nice, nice. So what, have you decided, like, what engine you would want to do that in? I'd imagine probably not Unreal Engine, right? Okay, so we're gonna do half elf. Sets half elf. Addicted, I'll admit. Thanks much, bro. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, we still got a ton to do in it. Right now, the current videos we're doing, we're building the save system and inventory system. That's what we've been doing recently. Cool. So this is gonna be our Infernian. Collapse node. Cool. Thinking of maybe Unity, but I don't really know yet. It would be nice to make videos of the processes when making the game. Oh, you're thinking about like doing like kind of like what I'm doing, like streaming it and stuff while you work on it. Yeah, people seem to like it. People seem to like watching this kind of stuff, especially if you've never really seen game development at all, or like the process for it. People get interested. Yeah, there we go. Got all of those. But I say go for it. I think it'd be cool. I like watching people work on games. This is gonna be our vampire. Vampire Lord Keeney. What you awing about? We're about to finally move on to some other stuff. We're about to get to some of the cooler parts, where we actually start working on the menu for changing some things about our character. So getting there. Getting there. Nothing. Just doing it to do it. I can feels. I can feel you. There you go. We're just cleaning some stuff up here, making it a little easier to look at. Collapsing some things down. So this is gonna be Gorgons. Benilo, can you help me with something? You might know the answer. Maybe I might know the answer. Can't guarantee it, but I might know the answer. But what up? Cool. Okay, so here's the problem. You can see it, it's very clear. And you take a look. Okay, hold on. Oh wow.
You can do it! Cut his fucking head off!
Whose head are we cutting off? So is it just doing it when your mouse goes over your character? That's what it looks like. Yeah. When did this start? That guy in Benilio's game cutting the other guy's head off? Yeah, apparently so. Huh, I've never seen this. I've never really messed with a lot of top-down stuff, so I honestly don't know. I'm not very familiar. It's been like this a while. But it wasn't like this when you started the project, right? Like it happened somewhere in the middle while working on it. Do you have any on-hovered events happening? Yeah, as soon as I make the camera, I'd be looking at the camera, because it's probably got something to do with that. Does your player automatically rotate to where the mouse is? Like it's an auto rotate? Looks like the character switches between its own rotation and the cursor position. Maybe the rotation's not updated. Yeah, to me it looks like when you hover over yourself, it's like wigging out on deciding where to rotate. So, no, what's happening is on tick, it's getting the mouse location, then updating the capsule rotation to face the mouse. So it's doing that every tick, right? Like you don't have to press anything to change the rotation. It just automatically does it. I think that's the issue. So when you hover over yourself, it just doesn't know which way to go because it's on itself. I would probably just do a different method. Like you don't really need to like auto rotate constantly, especially on tick. Add some distance check to the character. Yeah, you could do something like that. Like if like if on hovered over your character, like turn it off, turn off the tick, something like that. The distance check to the middle of the screen. Yeah, I would do something like that. Either just change the system in general, or do a check for where like an on of hover check to like where your player is. Yeah, lots to think about. Yeah, I would either change the way your rotation works, or do a check on where, like, if it goes near your character, to not do the auto rotate, and then turn it back on when it's not over your character. I would do either one of those two things. Casey, yo! What I did is set up a different channel for the raycast hit detection of the mouse cursor. You can make custom channels in the project settings. Yeah. What did you run into an issue like that as well, Casey? I've never really done top down, so I'm not familiar with how that stuff works really. Okay, thanks. No problem. No problem. With some distance check, you could also control the player's speed by how far the offset is. Yeah, you could do some cool stuff like that. Alright, so this is going to be our wizard. Alright, so this is gonna be sets wizard. Similar? Yeah, I don't think I've ever made a top-down project. So, like, I've literally never messed with that stuff. But it was because I had mesh at different heights. Yeah. Which made the character wig out. Yeah. So what he was saying was that he's got a tick. His character is running on a tick. And automatically rotates to where the mouse cursor is. Nick just subbed. I appreciate the sub. I appreciate the sub. So my thought was either to just build a different system or to do a check for when the cursor gets close to turn off the automatic rotation. And then when it moves away from the character, turn it back on. Hey, there was something else. Francisco Diaz just subbed. I appreciate the sub. I appreciate the sub. Hell yeah. Alright, so this is gonna be Necromancer.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Oh shit. Pixel Stain Studios, I appreciate the follow. Welcome in, welcome in. How goes it? Hell yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be our Necromancer. Collapse. Yeah, we're just kind of cleaning some stuff up here. We got our player stat stuff done, finally. So we're just cleaning it up a bit, and we're gonna move on to some other stuff. That was a lot of work. That was a lot of shiz to set up for the stats. A lot of stuff. We got one more here for our Night Reaver. There we go. Cool. Now I gotta bring it way the hell over here. Dope. And that we can leave like that for now. Until it really gets on our nerves. Just bring it up to here. Starlight Gippy, hey, welcome back. Hey, I appreciate you. How goes it? What you up to? Tom Revel? Hey, what's up? What you got going on? What is up? Let's see. So now, let's just give a look. Let's pull up our reference that we've been using. Where is it at? Right here. So let's... I don't know if I want to do the body type like this. We could do it like that and have a random appearance. Not a bad idea. Not a bad way of doing it. We definitely need these buttons. Goes good. Got done making a new level and just cooking right now. Hell yeah. What kind of game are you making? So far, no errors. That's always good. That's always a good thing. It goes good. Oh, whoops, wrong thing. I'm just well. Can I ask a few questions first? Sure. Sure. Let's see. Let's make... I'm thinking about how I want to do this. Top-down action adventure game? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. That should be dope. How far are you into it? So let's... trying to think of which one I want to do. Let me look at some of these other menus to kind of get... Yeah, let me look at this menu. Yeah, so I might not do the body types at all and just add the male or female option, like in this menu. Yeah. Pixel Stain Studios, what's happening here? A friend told me I would enjoy working for this and sent me here. What's up? So right now we're in the process of building a character creator. We're building an RPG game, but like we're right now we're working on the character creator system. So far all we've got is just our little main menu stuff, new game, the difficulty selection, and we just finished up with these menus over here. And right now I'm just kind of trying to decide on what menu, how I'm gonna do my next menus. We've been kind of using Baldur's Gate 3 as a reference, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make these buttons, and then when you press the edit appearance it'll come up with the other, this kind of a menu. Yeah. Something like that. Well, number one, are you using Linux? Probably not, because you're using a Windows, but it was just a... Hold on. Disappeared on me. Just a question. And number two, I'm having a problem with installing Unreal Engine 5. What kind of problem are you having with installing Unreal Engine? Yeah, no, I'm not using Linux. Yeah, not using Linux. Was working on Godot with it, and it's much further along, but my PC died, so my programmer took over everything, and when I came back I had no idea how to read his code, and so switched to UE5 to check. Darth Thadio just subbed. I appreciate the sub. I had no idea how to read his code, so I switched to UE5 to check out blueprints, and I love it. Currently experiencing some issues like enemy health and such, but so far so good. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, UE5's dope. The blueprint system is generally pretty easy to learn. Fairly easy compared to a lot of other kinds of code and stuff. Darthadio, are you gonna stylize the buttons? So yeah, pretty much everything we're doing right now will get replaced. Right now, we're just working on functionality of everything, so it's not pretty. We're just working on getting the functionality of it. We'll make it pretty later. Yeah, everything will pretty much change. The whole entire level will change. All the UI stuff will change. Yeah, pretty much everything about the way it looks will change later. You should use Guild War 2 as reference as well. It's a very nice MMORPG. Yeah, I've seen it. Let's let me pull up a picture of their character creator. See, it's kind of hard. Oh, I see. We could do something similar to this. We are doing morph targets, which I will use this as a reference. Not a bad reference. Looks like they're doing morph targets. Baldur's Gate 3 doesn't do morph targets, so I might use this as a reference for a morph menu. Okay. I go to install the engine so you know when you have to wait, so I'll go in and install it, and then it kicks me out, so I can't install it and use it, so it kicks me out while I'm installing it. Like Epic, like when you're on the Epic launcher, it just like goes away when you're trying to install it. That's what's happening. Fixed? Hell yeah. Hydrate? I shall. Appreciate the hydrate. Hell yeah. What'd you do to fix it? Good. Let them cook? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Young Jojo, what's up, bro? What's up, Young Jojo? What you got going on? What up, what up? Packaging complete. Be right back. Gonna go upload it and stuff. And Baldur's Gate is so good. Might I suggest Elden Ring creator? Oh, we literally just built the Elden Ring creator. Pretty much in our tutorial series. Yeah. We pretty much just built that system for a tutorial series that we did on YouTube. So I'm kind of over that character creator at the moment. Yes? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Just some distance checks? There you go. There you go. Yeah. So that works. Yeah, that's what is happening. I go to that part and then I click install. Yeah, and then it just boots you off. Huh. Wonder why. Maybe try to completely uninstall Epic and reinstall it. That would be my guess. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe try that. I have a dream of making an 8 or a 16-bit game. Any tips or advice would be very appreciated. 8 or 16-bit, I'm not really the guy for that. Everything I've done is 3D, so I don't know really anything about 8 or 16-bit, but my guess would be find a good engine that's good for making that and just hop in and start experimenting with it. Probably Godot, Game Maker Studio, or Unity would be my guess. One of those engines. Sorry, gotcha. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Hey, it happens. It happens. It happens. I don't really know what I would do for this game, so I don't know why I sent me here. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you just thought you would think it's cool. I don't know. No idea. Godot is great. As someone who worked in it, it's great for 16. Yeah, I've heard Godot is good for that kind of thing. Yes, that's what I'm doing now. Nice. Let us know if it works out. Has the material stuff came out? Yeah, we're done with material. We're back on character creator. So we're yeah, we're working on the character creator now. I mean, the material isn't done. There's still stuff I need to add to it, but it's done enough for the time being. Yeah. We just finished our stats, our player stats menu and stuff. So yeah, now we're about to move on to the menus for actually editing our character. Could just be a Linux thing, if that makes sense. Oh, it could be.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, it could be. I don't know. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right. I drank a lot of water, so I gotta pee. I'll be right back.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Alright, I'm back. Darth Thadio? I appreciate the follow. Also, Arc of the One. I said it right that time, right? Hello? What's up? What you got going on? Welcome back. I appreciate you. Hold on, let me reset this damn TV here. Loaded up a few times in an older on Unreal Engine 4. I'd imagine it still works then. I'd imagine. I don't see why 5 wouldn't work. Yeah, I don't see why 5 wouldn't work. I'd imagine that should still work. It's my Twitch account. Hey, well, welcome in anyways. I do enjoy RPGs, but I can only really do models, animation, and texturing, and other style. Either. Am I the best at? Hells yeah. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. Who's the friend that sent you here? Hey, it's Arc of the One. Oh, I see. Oh yeah. Arc of the One is here. Or you mean Arc of Theon? yeah, the way I was saying it. J-Rap on your Discord? Oh, I see. Hell yeah. Okay, so we need to set up... We need to set up a new widget. Yeah, hell yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make this our... Edit. Can't add a slash, right? Underscore play. Underscore W. Like that. Apparently, I think. And I liked it. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. The name would be so cool for a video game villain. Yeah, let's name a villain that. Arc of Theon. We're gonna make that a. We're gonna make that a villain in the game. Okay, so let's be right back. Gotcha. So let's add a button. Let's anchor this to the center. Alignment 0.5. 0.5. If I were to associate a skeletal mesh with a helmet, you would do it to body skeleton mesh or face skeleton mesh? Metahuman, I mean. Oh, you mean like the weight transfer? I would probably do it. Well, actually, probably to the face, I would imagine, right? Right. I don't know if you need any help with the game and just said you would enjoy this. Hey, I need all kinds of help with the game. Anyone that is willing to help. I will take all kinds of help. For sure. Yes, yeah, I would imagine the head. Right, so we'll make this 150. This is gonna be our edit button. I help everywhere for free. Maybe that's why he sent me here. Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, we need all kinds of help. We definitely need all kinds of shiz. I mean, this is a RPG. It's kind of hard to make one. This is pretty hard to make one by yourself, for sure. I mean, we're gonna try to make it as small as possible, but yeah. So position.
This is a reminder to save your work now, for fuck's sake.
Save. Let's do a save. Looks like we're saved up. Hydrate. Do a hydrate. Hell yeah. So let's position X, right? Set this to negative. -1. A -120 for now. And then we will grab a text, throw it on the button, and we'll make it say edit appearance, and we'll choose our lemon milk. Make the size much smaller. Maybe we'll make the button wider. Let's make the size 200. Yeah. And then need to get some. What colors were we doing our other buttons? Okay, so we'll do that. Let's pull up one of our other menus and copy the color. Paste. Nope, not on the text. I need the. Why the hell did that change the text? Whoops. Here we go. Right here. Okay, we definitely already listened to this. YouTube's doing that looping bullshit. Let's go to something else. Sure, we'll go here. Let's see. So that'll be normal and pressed. We need, what is our hovered? We'll copy this hovered. Let's change the outline to 0. Alpha to 0. And depends on how that entire work for people would work with you, what the conditions would be, and how flexible I can work. I'm a big goofball when it comes to working for people. So for this project, I mean, it's not really like we're hiring on people. So like kind of the way that I've kind of stated in the past is if people want to help, you're basically helping for credits. Like I can't really like offer to pay anyone unless they're like, you know, like an official member, and even then the pay would only be if like after game is released. So it's not like a full-on hiring thing. Like I don't have money to pay people. People are helping if they want to help, kind of thing. So interesting, yeah. Yeah, and we've got a little bit of help here and there already. We've gotten some help with UI and stuff. So we'll make the outline size. Let's make that 1. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, how did we get rid of the outline over here? What I missed, we started our menu. We're back on... We're making some buttons here to try to... Okay, there we go. So that we can get to our, like, actual character creator menu, where we edit our appearance and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Small to the big fun stuff, huh? Yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. Here in, like, I don't know, probably a day or two, we'll be at working on our morph targets, and that's gonna be the fun / hard part. It's gonna be fun, but it's also gonna be hard. So let's grab our edit, play widget, add it here. We're gonna anchor this guy to the bottom. 0.5 position y1, no, -100. We also size the content. Why is it? Oh yeah, that's right. That should be, that's fine. So we gotta add our other button. So we're gonna duplicate position. What did I have that other position? -120. We'll make this one 120. And this one will be our play button. Play text. Oh, whoops, not text. We gotta go and work on our project. I'll look around here a bit more, see what I can do, I guess. Hell yeah. Hey, well, I appreciate you hanging out. You have fun on your project, and yeah, I'll see you around. 4, and then 4. There we go. We're gonna make this say, or what do we want to make it say? Start game? We can make it say start game, sure. So we'll make that say start game text. We'll make this say start game button. Cool. I think I'm gonna wrap it with a border. Ben. I've never known anyone to start their game with the character creator though. I kind of want to start it with the character creator because a lot of the game is going to be determined by like the class, like, you know, a lot of things with mechanic wise is going to be determined by what class you have selected and stuff, you know? Different things are going to happen depending on what class you're going to be. Like, we probably won't build the entire character creator now, but we'll probably get it to like a certain point. And then actually work on some other stuff. We'll do that. And then let's add bottom padding. Oh no, never mind. We'll go to the text and add bottom padding of 6? No. 8? Sure. And let's make the border, let's call it edit appearance border. And let's make it darker. Maybe like that. We'll also wrap this one with a border. This will be... Bax is trying to help me. He lived in Germany for 10 plus years. Good thing I listened to you. Hey, see, there are people from Germany in there. I knew there would be probably at least a few. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's gonna be start game order. But that's awesome. Hell yeah. Hopefully it works out. The 2 padding. Copy that brush color. There we go. I at least want to get the server up and running so I can get a motivation boost. Hell yeah. Yeah, finally get the yeah, finishing something that is challenging and getting it done. Definitely solid motivation boost. What's the hardest part when designing UI? Probably making it pretty. That's probably the hardest part, at least for me. Making it pretty. That's pretty hard. Unless you're good at like graphic design. If you're good at that, then that probably won't be too bad. But yeah, right now we're pretty much just creating functionality of it and not really making it very pretty. We're just kind of getting the flow of it and functionality of it. But other than that, UI is pretty easy. It's not too bad. So, I think that's decent right there. Let's look at our reference again. Could add a border around the whole thing. That could be cool. Kind of like they did. So, we would need to change some things about this though. Let's get a horizontal box. Throw that on the canvas panel. Center it. 0.5. 0.5. Creating designs will be much easier when everything is ready and you can coordinate everything. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Like, yeah, once we know how everything is gonna look, or at least as far as like where everything is, yeah, I agree. It'll be easier to deal with rather than while I'm still changing things and such. So let's make the size X 500, size Y 50, sure. And then let's bring in the border. Oh, whoops. Let's put the border on the horizontal box, and then put that border on the horizontal box. And these borders both now need some padding. Guess 8 works for me. 8. Ooh, that changed. What if we fill and then fill? Then that'll keep them even like that. And then the horizontal box, let's wrap with a border and make it the same color as this stuff. Where is it? Oh yeah, we need that. And let's grab that color. Yeah, something like that. Cool. So let's give that a little look. What is that? What do they do with that when you go? Okay, so that button changes out for another button. Let me think about. Let me think about what we would do with that. We could just put a condition on which menu they're on, and when you press that one, it'll do the different things. It's probably gonna be the easiest way of dealing with that. Bard, hi my friend. How is life going on? What up? How's it going? What you been up to? But it's going good. We doing some character creator stuff, making some progress on it. Do you actually use source control or something like that in case the project breaks? It's one of the one of my biggest fears because it happens to me so often. It happens a lot when you're new. But I don't use source control, but I do back my project up. I do need to set up a Git for the project. I just haven't done it yet. But yeah, no, I've just been backing my project up. I got it backed up. Yeah, for those purposes, just in case, because that kind of shit does happen. How does Git work? I'm so confused by it. I mean, you basically just have to set it up, and then there's some things that you could do to set up your project with it, and then I haven't used it very much, but I know there's like once you have it set up, there's like some things you can press and it'll automatically send shit to your Git, and then once it's in the Git, you can get shit from the Git onto the project, like if you're working in a team and stuff. Yeah. I haven't used it very much, but I have looked into it a little bit. But yeah, basically you just set it up to work with your project and you send information back and forth. There are many tutorials on YouTube, but it is good for resetting broken files and other things. Yeah, solid way of backing projects up. Solid way of sharing files between, like, you know, people you're working with. That kind of thing. Yeah, no, I watched all of your video. Oh, really? Damn, you caught up. You caught up. Hell yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the general idea behind, you know, kind of what it does. Thing is just like understanding it enough to know the workflow. Like, I've barely used Git. I have a Git, and I haven't set it up for this project yet. I need to. I just haven't done that yet. Okay, so I think on this button, if it's... We need to change some things about this text. So we want to make this text a variable. I'm gonna make that a variable. Let me see. You think about how I want to go about the next part. I guess we don't really need to do any on clicks for that yet. We have our buttons we need for it. We need to go ahead and make our next menu though. This should be fine for now. So let's go to blueprints, widgets, character creator. Make a new widget. This is gonna be our detailed appearance menu underscore W. So I guess that'll be like the master one. We got a canvas on there. So let's... I think I'm gonna duplicate this guy. Um. And also, we start our YouTube channel because of you. We get mini energy. Hell yeah! So you started a YouTube channel? What kind of YouTube channel? Kiwi Hawk, yo! Kia Ora. Have you seen Unreal Sensei's auto material yet? I have. I have indeed. I have indeed. Yeah, we went through a ton of videos the past couple of days to set up our auto material. We did all kinds of shiz to get it set up. I went through some Unreal Sensei stuff. I went through some other channel stuff. We did all kinds of stuff to get this material set up. Took me like the whole entire day yesterday. It's a freebie too? Yeah, I don't really want to snag a freebie though. So we built this one. Yeah, we built this whole bad boy from scratch. Hell yeah. Yeah, it looks great. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. What's up, RC420? Yeah, it is cool that he's giving that material away for free. But, yeah. Yeah, we just built this bad boy. And there's things, I know exactly how it's built, so I know exactly how to go in and tweak things about it. So that's kind of the good thing of doing it this way. I know how to add things to it. I know how to take things away if I want to. So yeah, it's kind of the plus of building it from scratch, I guess. I now know how to do more things with auto landscape materials. Yeah. We can go and look in the material real quick. Are you wanting to make the game stylized or more of the metahuman look? We're definitely doing the metahuman look. We're using metahumans, so yeah, it's not gonna be very stylized. Yeah. Yeah, not gonna be very, very stylized. Fair? Yeah. Yeah, that's more of my style. Anyways. I think stylized would be pretty challenging as far as like making it look right. I feel like this is honestly easier. Just going this route. So, yeah. Landscape material. Yeah. So this is the material. We've got a few functions. We've got our grass stuff going on. Our physical material. We've set up runtime, virtual textures. Yeah. Our layer blend. Then we've got these functions. All of this stuff going on where we're pretty much just creating our parameters for our layers. And I'm gonna add a few layers to this for like paint layers. So we have like our, you know, our general layers that's blending together, but I'm gonna add some layers that aren't gonna be blending with this really. Just like some paint layers. Yeah. Great place to start to release on Steam and other places, I'd imagine. Yeah, I mean, we got a while. I would definitely like to get it onto Steam, but we got a ways away to go before we get anywhere near thinking about that. Yeah, we got basically the entire damn game to make. We've got, like, we don't have too much so far. We've worked on like some modular building systems that we still have to finish. Got a bunch of building pieces that we made. Yeah, all kinds of shiz in here. We've built some AI. Got some monsters. Got a little wolf that we made. Got this little guy that we made. And I've got an inventory set up. It's not done yet, but I've got my inventory started. So yeah, we've got a little bit of stuff done, but we've still got a ton of stuff to do. Yeah, we started like education note, you know, like teaching, and also we will release our game in there. Then for next project, like you start making a game on live stream. Oh hell yeah, go for it. Go for it. Yeah, people like watching that kind of stuff. People get real interested. Hell yeah, that's dope. That's awesome. So, let's see. Let's go to our blueprints, widgets, character creator. I'm trying to think about how I want to put this together. So I think we're gonna have this detailed appearance menu, but I think it's gonna be kind of like, where's it at? Kind of like this. We're just gonna have a bunch of stuff on it as well. So maybe might not have been a bad idea to duplicate this one actually, since it's already kind of got the structure that we want. Let's delete this one. And then this guy, right? Let's just duplicate this guy and we're gonna change some things about it. Saves us a little bit of work. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Cool. So, let me think. Okay, so yeah, they do have a text up there. Oh, the CC button options menu. And default, we'll make general like they do. General. Well, we want to do some things differently, so they just went the other route of just choosing faces. We're not gonna do that. We could give the voice options. I do have a voice pack that I could use. So we're gonna do our faces differently for sure. We'll make a... Actually, we'll probably make a whole other button on the side that we'll call adjustments, and that's where we'll put our morph targets. Yeah. My man, can you run it to see how it looks like? You talking about run the game? Sure. It's not as pretty as it was because we haven't rebuilt the level and stuff, but yeah, we've got all of these menus. You can choose your different classes. Still tons of stuff to set on this, like the class details and stuff. But your stats over here update when you choose the classes. Starter skills, we're gonna do that menu way later once we get all the skills and stuff situated in the game. We got our attributes menu that we've been working on the last couple of days, where you can change your starter stats. You got a few starter stats to play with. You can take some out of some stats. and put them into some other stats. And yeah, now we're working on this part where we could choose to press edit appearance and bring up our other menus over here where we will change our change the way our character looks. Voice pack? Yeah, for like voices. There's a pack called Human Vocalizations. I'm pretty sure it's free too. I got it for free. I think it's still free. Yeah, this guy, Human Vocalizations. It's basically just sounds for like jumping and attacking and stuff like that, you know. Keep working through your videos and see if I can see how you put your landscape map. Oh yeah, a good chunk of it's in there, but definitely not all of it. Yeah, I did a lot of that off a stream as well. Yeah. Need to make a high adjustable layer for the seabed / beaches. Yeah, I haven't even added that. I think I'm just gonna paint my beaches when I add them. I don't know if I want to have that as an auto layer, because I might have edges that I don't want to be beaches. So I think I'm just gonna paint my beaches in. Hydrate? I shall. I appreciate. Why do some people say you should only build a game with UE5 and C++ and not blueprints? Well, C++ is gonna give you like more performance in a lot of situations, but honestly, you should probably use C++ and blueprints depending on the situation. Like build some things and build blueprints, and some things in C++. Some things are just gonna be more efficient in C++. You should use both,
No,
but I think the main reason is
God!
performance. Yeah, stuff like that.
No, God, please, no! No!
Hey, it's Rusi.
No!
What's up, Rusi?
No!
What's up? So nice. 3D menu. I appreciate it. I love it. I appreciate it. Thank you. You should use both, but I think the main reason is performance. Yeah, but I'm also sure that it is 100% possible without C++ if you optimize your blueprints. Yeah, you could definitely build an entire game without C++. For sure. You can do it. I've been lurking for a bit. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Because the BP system is visual? No. It's just I guess the way it executes in the game. Like different, I'm not 100% sure behind the technical reasons behind why C++ is more performant and for some reasons, but yeah. Hi, I'm tired AF. Oh no, did you not get enough sleep? Well, that sucks. What's the plan for the day? What you got going on today? Hi, Arusi. You never guess what I've been doing while lurking? Oh god, what have you been doing while lurking? C++ executes your functions very close to the hardware, so without detours. Blueprints have a high overhead because blueprints execute the functions with a long detours, and a function then has to execute several functions to reach its destination. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I'd imagine it has something to do with the way that it's executed. Makes sense to me. Makes sense. Thank you guys. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we're actually diving into C++ tomorrow. So we've decided that we're gonna start setting a day aside out of the week every week to try and start learning C++, because I don't know C++, so I need to start learning it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be C++ day. C++ day. Working? Ah, damn. That damn work. Hey, money's though. Money's though. Money's though. Hell yeah. Well, hopefully it's a good day at work, at least. Hopefully it goes well. Trying to fix bugs? Oh god, what's the new bug? What's the new bug? What'd you do? What'd you do? I was thinking having a high adjustable would get me to a good place where I can then hand paint big parts I wanted to. Yeah, true, yeah. It's possible. I mean, all you would have to do is add that as a layer, like in your material. Just do the let me pull up my landscape material. So yeah, you would just add another layer in here. So like where we're blending, you would just add another layer to blend between. So that's kind of what we did in the tutorials that I watched. He only did like 3 layers, but we added a bit more. We added a lot more than what the tutorial did. We added a bunch of stuff in here that he didn't do. Yeah. It's not a bug with my engine this time. I've actually downloaded Ultra Engine, trying to build a project, but it's bugging out. What is Ultra Engine? I've never heard of that one. I searched the video I watched yesterday. The guy explained it very good and detailed with visual examples. Yeah, I've seen people show the difference between C++ and Blueprints, and yeah, it's... Yeah, I definitely need to start diving into C++ for sure. Sadly, I don't think I'm gonna be good enough anytime soon to replace... Well, we might be able to replace some things in here with C++, but like... I don't know. I don't know if I would trust myself with that. Not for a long time. It's a new engine that was released towards the end of last year. It's a C++ code first engine. Oh, nice. Nice, yeah, I haven't even heard of it. Is it for like video games mostly? Like it's for making video games? Whoops. Okay, let's pull our widgets back up. So we got our detailed appearance. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also duplicate this guy. Call it detailed appearance side buttons underscore W, and this will be the one we use for changing some other things. So I'm just gonna delete most of these for now. We'll just leave the one, and we'll probably want to make this bigger. Oh god, what do we have happening in the graph? Yeah, we'll just have to redo a lot of this. That's fine. That's fine for now. We'll just leave that guy for now. And we need to add some buttons to our enums. The button selections, okay. Okay. Hey, there's the link.
This is a reminder to save your work now, for fuck's sake.
Save? Pretty sure I'm saved. Yeah, we're saved. Yeah, it's not free though. I'm just testing it out. Really? It costs money? Well, you gotta let me know how it is. You gotta let me know how it is. Watch from 11 minutes. I don't think you can present it any better. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. My question is not about UE5, sorry. How you get subscribed on YouTube and grow your channel? Just make videos. Just make videos. That's what I've been doing. I've just been making videos. Making videos, doing live streams, making shorts. And if people like it, they'll sub. Just checking, hell yeah. Well, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. $8 a month. But you have to pay for 3 months altogether at a time. That shit is so annoying. Like, let me just try 1 month, dog. Why I gotta pay for 3 months to try something out? I hate when subscription services already get on my nerves, and then they make you have to pay for 3 months. Hell nah. I would recommend that you utilize YouTube Shorts to create shorts of projects you're working on. Yeah, definitely use shorts. Shorts are useful. Shorts can take the hell off, for sure. I need to make more shorts. I just haven't had a lot of time for editing them. Or I haven't given myself a lot of time for editing them. But I've had a few that have done decently okay. Seen some of your shorts, they are awesome. Oh, I appreciate it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I need to make some more. I just haven't given myself a lot of time for it. Okay, so this is gonna be our general. Actually, what are we even gonna have in general? Let me think about what we're gonna have in our general. Yeah, we can have the male and the voice. I don't know if we're gonna do scarring. We can do our age. We can add male voice age. I kind of need to download Baldur's Gate 3 and see what the hell is down on. What's down here? What do y'all got going on down here? I don't think we're gonna do blush tone or anything like that. Surprisingly, Ultra Engine has quite a big community already. Forums are really taking off? Damn. How have I not heard about it? Oh, guess what Baldur's Gate 3 uses for GUI? Is it Oasis GUI? The thing that you're using? Here, let's download Baldur's Gate 3 because I need some more references. Yes? Hell yeah. Using something that they use. So let's download this. Just download Baldur's Gate 3 real quick. Or not real quick, it's 137 gigabytes, but we'll start the download for that. I need more references. Cool. We can make our other buttons though. So we're definitely, I think my next... I'm trying to think about how I would do body art, because I think I would need to basically create textures, new textures to add body art. Is there a thing to do something kind of similar to decals, but with like materials and textures? Or do I just have to create new textures with the art on top of the existing texture? Not too sure. Not too sure how you would do that. Because it would be cool to be able to add, like, you know, tattoos and stuff if you wanted to. No clue? Yeah, I have no clue either. See, the way I'm thinking that you would have to do it is is that you would just have to add that to a texture and create a new material for each option, but it seems like there's probably a better way of dealing with that. Let's see. Let's look at a material real quick and see. You can add tattoos using decals and a second UV set. Like, I can just use decals in a material. What's up, Tommy? What up? Let's see. Decal color. No. Oh, that would actually be a valid approach? Yeah, I feel like a decal would be better. Rather than creating new textures for every tattoo. Yeah, decals for sure. Yeah, decals would be better if I can figure out matte layer blend decal. Maybe something with this. I'm gonna have to look into some stuff with this. I'm not too sure. This seems like it might be a function to do what I want. Set material attributes. Put decal roughness. I feel like this might be what I'm looking for. Maybe. Oh, we got friggin' ads. We got friggin' ads. The friggin' ads, man. Oh, the fart. Rusey be fartin'. Rusey be fartin'. Why you so gassy, Rusey? Blended material. I guess with base material, is this? Let's see. Let me look at what they got going on in here. Input decal sheet. Decal sheet 2D. So I'm guessing this is the decal. And then you could create a scalar for the roughness of it. And then the normal flatness. What's the base material? What is that? Input base material. Would I want to do anything with that? Blends in a decal sheet using the second UV channel. Hey, this is what you were talking about. Using the second UV channel. So this is what we want. This is what we want to pull it off. We're just gonna have to do some testing with it. But the thing at that point is gonna be... I'm... How do I get decals? I mean... Quixel doesn't have cool tattoo decals, do they? I doubt it. I'll fix those bugs. I just needed the latest versions of Visual Studio and Vulkan SDK. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's dope. Yeah, there's not gonna be like tattoo decals in here, right? So we would have to find a way of getting decals that we would want to use as tattoos. Because I don't think we're gonna find any on the mega scans that are gonna be good for tattoos. Not really. This is a pretty nice engine, nice and simple. Hell yeah! Maybe you switch to that one permanently. Say bye-bye to Unreal Engine. Yeah, but you also need a second UV channel on your mesh. Oh. And metahumans probably don't automatically come with that, do they? We would have to add that, right? That's probably not too big of a deal, though, because we're already changing things with our metahumans. So we could add a second UV channel. It's not that big of a deal. Who knows? Maybe you do. Maybe your Unreal Engine days are over. I doubt it. Yeah, who knows? Maybe. Maybe, though. Yeah, I don't know. Are tattoos worth it? They seem kind of challenging. They seem like they would be cool, but they also have a few challenging sides to them. Mainly, getting the damn tattoo art. Actually, yeah, that kind of seems like the hardest part. Getting the actual art for it, because none of these decals look good for tattoos. Gee, I guess I got VS build my game. I'm crying. What? I'm confused. You can add it in Blender? Yeah, we could easily add the second UV channel in Blender, so that's not really a big deal. I'm just wondering if there's anywhere we could get like free tattoo textures somewhere. Because these decals wouldn't be... Yeah, none of these decals would be good. I've never seen anything so beautiful in my life. Sorry to my ex-partners. Oh! I had the error I mentioned earlier. That VS won't build my game. Oh! Hell yeah, what was the issue? You could also use the second UV channel for things like wrinkles and scars and stuff. If characters are gonna get older or get some scars during gameplay, yeah, that could be cool. We could do some things like that. Yeah, the second UV channel could be cool. But the thing is getting a hold of all the shit to use on that. Let's give it a Google. Let's see if I can find some royalty-free, like, tattoos. I doubt that's a thing that exists out there, but who knows? It'd definitely be better to make them from scratch, but... License free. Yeah. I think we would just have to make some. We would have to make some, but is it worth it? I mean, there's a few royalty-free ones on this website, but there's a few. Attribution is required, but Maybe... Do they have any on the Epic Marketplace? I doubt it. But let's see. $50 tattoo decal package? They do, and it's $5. We could just grab some from here. What do they look like? We could just snag some from a pack. $5 pack? Why not? Tattoo decals pack. AI sources. I think those are the only two packs that have tattoos. Yep. I mean, it says AI sources, so you could just use AI to make your own then. True. Could. What AI source did they use? What are AI sources files? These source files you can output 64 by 64 or 32K and above without losing quality. Since these designs are vectorial, the quality never deteriorates. These source files, you can create as many original designs as you want. What does that mean? Does that mean that this is an AI source? That you can generate them? Like this is like an AI generator of some sort to create tattoos? Is that what that means? It's the other pack. That's this one. Oh, this one says AI sources as well. See what the tutorial overview is. What the hell is this? Okay, no audio? Okay. They're in Maya. Sure you thought Streamlabs OBS pooped itself again for a second there? Oh god, what happened? Did it... What, is it just because it was really quiet for a second? Me too! Oh god, everyone's paranoid of that. Now, we paused the music for a second. We turned it back on. When the music stopped, yeah, I paused it because I thought there was going to be audio in this video, but there's no audio in here. Visual Studio and then silence. Just straight paranoia. So that confuses me. Do I need Maya to use this? Or do I just need to create... Or was he just creating that second UV layer? Is that what he was doing in Maya? I'm guessing that he's just creating another UV layer. I don't know Maya like that, so I don't know.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just another UV layer. Trimax, what's up? What's up? What up, what up? Yeah, I think he was just making another UV layer. Cool. What we doing? We're trying to think of if we want to add tattoos to our character creator or not. So I'm looking at some stuff for maybe doing that. Well, what up? What you got going on? So yeah, we would need the UV layers. Ooh, a character creator? Mind giving me a tour? I mean, we don't have much to it yet, but sure. I'm just trying to debate on if we want to add tattoos or not. Because we're creating our menus, and I'm trying to think of what menus I need to make. Yeah, I mean, we don't have much yet. We're just still working on menus and stuff. Planning on doing one of these? Hells yeah. Hells yeah. That's it. Right now, all we got are a few menus. We got the classes you can select. We haven't done this menu yet. Got an attributes menu where you can change your stats with the little bit of stat points you have. You can change them if you want to. And you can choose your name. And yeah, we're starting another menu right now where we're actually gonna do basically all the appearance changes. I'm trying to think about how I want to lay it out. I'm trying to think about like what all I want to do in it. So that's kind of what got us on tattoos. You can also add a function to rotate the character by holding left mouse button and drag. Yeah, we'll probably add that. I just haven't added that yet. Haven't gotten around to that yet. Gonna take a break from making video games and start working making software from scratch so that I can land a software intern that pays high, that I can afford UT Austin. Hells yeah. Yeah, that sounds like it could be cool. Hell yeah. What kind of software are you thinking about making? I agree 100% with this. Yeah, it's not too hard. I added that in the last 2 character creators I made, the rotation thing. I just haven't done that in here yet. Let's make this guy. We're gonna need to make him a little bigger. Oh, whoops, not that one. Meant Y. 440 at least. And then we can add...
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo! Alright, well, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and add this menu, and then I'll probably just call it here. I'll think about how I want to do this. Like, adding tattoos would be cool. It would be cool. But it's also... seems a little bit like a bitch and a half. A little bit. Can't wait for the C++ stuff tomorrow, man. Yeah, we're gonna do some C++. Y'all get to watch me be hella confused on learning some C++. We're gonna learn. We're gonna start. We're gonna do the baby steps. We're gonna do the baby steps for C++. But it'll be okay. But not just software, hardware as well. But the first thing we thought of, me and my team, is making a website to sell products on and making a car walkie-talkie for you and your friends. Hell yeah, that seems chill. Hell yeah. Hopefully it goes cool. Hopefully it goes good. Do that. Then we'll position. But hell yeah. Good luck, man. Good luck on that. Just a negative 160. Yeah, about right there. You'll get there in time? Yeah, hopefully. I mean, I need to. It's just gonna be... it's just gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time. I have over 5,000 Care Bear poops, but I'm trying to keep a low profile. You should remove Uwu quickly. Oh, God. How do you get so many? How do you get so many? Yeah. We're gonna call it here. I'll be back on tomorrow, and we'll do some C++. So tomorrow we're gonna dive into C++. Start trying to learn that, so I can quit being a lame ass that doesn't know C++. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just call it here. All right. I also developed my own social media website a year ago. Web development is really easy if you put some effort into it. Hell yeah. Dope. Dope. Oh, a car walkie-talkie? But what's stopping me from purchasing a couple ordinary walkie-talkies and using them instead? Yeah, or just a cell phone. Right? Another thing we want to make is a smart mirror that tells you the time and weather, and it generates a nice message to compliment you in the mirror in the morning. Hell yeah, that could be cool. That could be pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here. I'll be back on tomorrow. We're gonna dive into some C++ tomorrow. Tomorrow's C++ day. We're gonna start learning it.